Welcome. If you're looking to automatically delete your Telegram account after 6 months of inactivity, you're in the right place. Whether you want a fresh start or are simply taking a break from messaging, Telegram makes it easy to schedule your account for deletion. Here's the simple, updated step-by-step guide to set your account to self-destruct after 6 months. First, open the Telegram app on your device. Once you're in, look at the top left corner and tap the 3 horizontal lines. This is the menu button. This will open up a sidebar with several options. Next, tap on Settings. In the Settings menu, scroll down until you find Privacy and Security. Tap on it to open your privacy options. Now, scroll down until you see the section labeled Delete My Account. Here, you'll find an option that says, If away for, or something similar. This setting controls how long Telegram should wait before deleting your account if you stop using the app completely. Tap on this option, and you'll see a list of time frames: 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, or 1 year. Select 6 months from the list. This means that if you don't log in or use Telegram at all for 6 months, your account will be permanently deleted, along with all your messages, contacts, and data stored in the cloud. After you set this, there's nothing more you need to do. Just remember, if you log back in before the 6 months are up, the timer resets and your account stays active. So if you're sure you want your account gone, avoid logging in during that period. That's it. You've now set your Telegram account to automatically delete after 6 months of inactivity. This is a great way to take control of your digital footprint and ensure your data doesn't linger longer than you want it to. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, consider sharing it with others who might need a little digital spring cleaning.